I don't know whether you can understand this line. It's a very strange line because the line is telling you something. He is telling you that you and I have come to this world time and again, time and again, time and again. We have always been here and we have gone. It's because we don't accept that everything is right in its place. We are all eternal. Yes, we are all eternal. We have always been here, all around, always. Okay, and Krishna is telling you this. In fact, there was never a time, मतलब कोई भी ऐसा समय नहीं है जब भी I was not, कि मैं नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं सदैव रहता हूँ यहाँ पे. सदैव means I am always there with you. You, who is this you? You is you, every individual who is sitting over here. I am always with you. That is what he is saying. And these kings were not. Who are these kings we are talking about? The Duryodhan, the Dushyasan, the Bhishma, everybody. Shakuni, Drupada, everybody. All these fellows are there right from beginning of time. They have always been there. What does it mean?
That means these situations are recurring they are always recurring. Is that what it means?
Situations, no. You.
That means the tendencies and all that.
Carrying the whole thing within us. This whole Kurukshetra is within us. The fighting is going on inside of you. You and me. That means the Jiva and the Jivatma has always been there. The Kshetra and the Kshetragnya are eternal. This person, that is say Kalpana, and that person which is Krishna, Kalpana is the Jivatma, Jiva, and Krishna is the Jivatma. Both have been together. And all the kings and everybody who is fighting are inside of you. They are inside of you. Are they not there? So the time that you have been born, unless and until Charles Darwin comes and refutes that you were a monkey, then the whole thing drops down. But if you are a human, then the whole thing, the story is true. So you have to know this story has been eternally going on. Time after time after time after time. I have also come and you have also come. Okay. See, here the understanding may be that Krishna goes back to his abode, isn't it? He dies in the story, right? After the Mahabharata and all that, he dies and then he goes away. Arjuna also dies and then he goes away. So then you will say कि अर्जुना तो साला मर के गया, कृष्णा भी गया, तो दोनों भी नहीं है, तो ऐसा कैसा है? Then what do you mean by this story saying, yeah, playing a part? What do you mean by this story that I am always there and you are also there? There is a very subtle hints in all these stories, you know. The hints are given in these type of lines. We are not talking of some Arjuna who is a warrior outside somewhere. और टोपी पहन के तलवार बिलवार लेके धनुष बाण लेके जाने वाला ऐसा कोई आदमी नहीं है. We are talking about you and me. That is, you are the Arjuna and the Jivatma is me. And the dialogue baji is happening between the Jiva and the Jivatma inside of us. And it's an eternal story. वो कोई once upon a time 6500 years ago there was a Kurukshetra battle and then there was an Arjuna over there, ऐसा करके कोई नहीं है उधर. वो तो माइथोलॉजी है. वो तुमको खाली एनैक्टमेंट करने के लिए मैंने षण्मुखानंद हॉल बना के रखा था उधर. समझ में आया? मेरा आर्ट डायरेक्टर ने उधर एक मस्त से है ना सेट बना के उधर दो आदमी लोगों को फाइट करने को लगाया. और जैसे बी आर चोपड़ा ने किया वैसे उधर मैंने भी किया था पहले, समझा? It's just an enactment. So coming back to this line, so here in this line he is telling you something very cryptic. The cryptic part is this story has been happening from time immemorial, and I have always been there with you, and every other person that is written in the story is always with you. Whether it is your Purvaj, without the Purvaj you can't be there, correct or no? Without your tendencies you can't be there. Without your karmic loops you can't be there. Without the skills and everything you are not going to be there. Without your anger, now you can't have a person saying I can never be angry. एक थप्पड़ लगा देने का, देखने का कैसा एंगर आता है उसमें, वो भी आएगा. तो better to accept it na, yes I get angry, okay. You don't have greed, of course. No, I have never been greedy. I have always been a दानी. तो बोला अच्छा एशियन पेंट्स का चेयरमैन है तू, अशोक दानी. तो प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में इन लोगों का. तो अगर किसी आदमी ने तुमको बोला ना कि मेरे को गुस्सा कभी नहीं आता है, मैं एकदम शांत रहता हूँ, मेरे को कोई ग्रीड नहीं है, कोई ये नहीं है, कोई वो नहीं है, बोला तू तो साला महाभारत का कोई कैरेक्टर ही लगता नहीं, तो आया क्यों? समझ में आया? So every story, every character, whether it is Padma or Kalpana or Brito or whoever, we all of us are Arjunas ourselves, and the Atma, that is the soul which runs us, is the Lord himself, and this is our story, not some story in some storybook. All right. So this line is telling us this very clearly. In fact, there was never a time when I was not, or when you and these kings were not, nor is the fact that hereafter we shall all cease to be. That means we are eternal, we are going to keep on coming time and again, time and again, time and again. Oh, Tej has to go, is it? Achha. Oh, no college today. Okay. प्रिंसिपल्स बर्थडे. क्योंकि हम लोग का स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल्स बर्थडे, हेडमिस्ट्रेस बर्थडे तो हम लोग को बहुत डर लगता था, क्योंकि मम्मी को पूछना पड़ता था, मम्मी गिव 10 रुपीज. नो, दैट प्रिंसिपल इज भिखारी, आई हैव टू गिव हिम 10 रुपीज. अभी 10 रुपीज में काम नहीं चलता है. अच्छा, okay. So nor is it a fact that hereafter we shall all cease to be. So after this also we will never be ceasing to be, because we will be continuously being there. All right. Just as boyhood, youth and old age are attributed to the soul through this body, even so it attains another body. The wise man does not get deluded about this. Isn't this a hint over here that he is talking about you? It's an open hint. He is telling you, boyhood, youth and old age, are they not attributed to us? Yes, but we think, मैं बुढ़ा हो गया हूँ, मेरे दांत गिर गए हैं, मतलब ऐसा सब सोच के हम लोग है ना वो सोल को सोचते हैं, उसका बेचारे का बीमारी हो गया, मेरे को कुछ नहीं हो गया, उसको हो गया. And we associate it to the soul and we do not associate it with the body. Even so it attains another body. So you are going to keep on attaining body after body after body after body after body. So you are going to have, now see again, he is not saying you are the body. He is saying you are going to attain a body. What the answer? So the jiva is not the body. In this line there is certainly being told that the jiva is not the body. You are going to attain the body. Body is a vehicle, it's a motor car. You are going to be the driver in the motor car, isn't it? You are also going to be a part and parcel of that body. So, and I am also going to be there, because driver तो मांगता है ना तुमको चलाने के लिए कोई ना कोई तो भी. So, the wise man does not get deluded about this. So, the wise man He is never deluded about this. The wise man is the knower of Brahma, the knower who is knowledgeable about everything. He is never deluded by it. He doesn't say, I don't know. He will say, ठीक है, ये करना ही पड़ेगा. So we will end at 14, okay? O son of Kunti, the contacts between the senses and the objects which gives rise to the feeling of heat and cold, pleasure and pain, etc. are transitory and fleeting. Therefore, Arjuna, endure them. Who is Arjuna? You. Correct? He is telling you. You know what he is telling you? O son of Kunti, the contact between the senses and their objects. मतलब आंखों से सब देखने वाले हो, कानों से सब सुनने वाले हो, नाक से सब सूंघने वाले हो, माउथ से सब टेस्ट करने वाले हो और बॉडी से सब टच करने वाले हो. ये तुम्हारा कांटेक्ट विद द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी देयर. इट्स ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी देयर. So there is not a time that is not going to happen. It's always going to happen, and that is going to give you the feeling of heat and cold. Means it is going to tell you garam hai, thanda hai, acha hai, bura hai. You know, understand? Because our senses, when they react with the objects outside, you are going to say, I like it, or you will say, I hate this thing. You are going to keep on this between the two ends shuttling here and there. Pleasure and pain. But all these are transitory. They are going to keep on coming and going, coming and going, coming and going. Right? Therefore, you have to endure them. मतलब सहन तो करना पड़ेगा तुमको. You can't say मेरे से सहन नहीं होता. सहन करना पड़ता है. दांत में अगर दांत दुखता रहेगा तो पेन तो तेरे को ही सहन करना पड़ेगा. बोला डॉक्टर तू लेगा क्या मेरा पेन? वो डॉक्टर को नहीं ले सकता है. डॉक्टर एक इंजेक्शन देके बोलेगा अच्छा भाई तेरा ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन कोई तुम्हारा पेन दूसरा कोई ले नहीं सकता. So what your eyes are seeing, you only have to see. What your ears are hearing, you only have to hear. So every person in this group has to know this, that जिसका कर्म उसी के पास ही आने वाला है, दूसरे के पास जाने वाला नहीं है. तुम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि मेरा कर्म है ना, मम्मी मम्मी तुम ले लो, डैडी डैडी तुम ले लो, कि भैया तुम ले लो, कि भाभी तुम ले लो. ऐसा करके नहीं होता है. तुमको खुद को ही उसका सहन करना पड़ेगा. सो वी विल एंड ओवर हियर टुडे एट नंबर 14. ठीक है? क्वेश्चंस रहेगा तो पूछो, नहीं तो हम लोग वी विल ऑल स्टैंड एंड विल सिंग जन गण मन. बोलो, कुछ है क्वेश्चंस? नहीं, बहुत बोर हो गया आज का. डोंट वरी, एक्साइटिंग पार्ट इज गोइंग टू कम इन द फ्यूचर. मतलब ट्विस्टेड पार्ट.
Very interesting.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, then if nobody has, I think the only person who is going to stay behind is Brito, right? Little bit?
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, Padma, you are saying something? Okay, Padma has some questions. Let us see what she says. No. We are testing out one piece of equipment, है ना?
Yeah,
Something like that.
Software
Testing we are doing. Yeah. This is. I told him I'll do it before satsang, but then I didn't have time because I had to take bath and all that. People here have to go to work and all that, so उनका बीच में नहीं आने का. So that is the reason why I will continue with him for some time because of this. So, no, satsang, I see, Padma, there are people who log in and who tell me later on also, I want to have satsang with you on this particular subject. So I have with them. ये मेरा फोन भर के सबका मैसेजेस है. वो अपने टाइम पे पूछते हैं तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ ठीक है, और लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम इधर उधर एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. अब मेरे को एक यूनिवर्सल टाइम जोन बनाना पड़ेगा इसके लिए. One time everywhere. Okay.
वो next कभी करेंगे?
Whenever you all want. See, basically this time seems like a good time for
Good
me.
time. कल सुबह भी करेंगे?
हाँ कर सकते हैं उसमें क्या.
ये
We can do unless and until you all have some other things lined up, then we can.
But
Dad, when my
Yeah.
we'll have to stop by 8 o'clock India time. Otherwise, I'm getting too late to go to work.
Okay. So you have to tell me the time because